SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.